In this video, you'll learn how to connect Klaviyo to Google Ads. This is a valuable skill to have if you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and ensure that your campaigns are as effective as possible. By linking these two powerful platforms, you can leverage your data more efficiently, ultimately optimizing your advertising strategies. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to log in to your Klaviyo account. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure to do so. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see several options there, but what you're looking for is the Integrations tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage all your integrations, which is crucial for keeping all your marketing tools working together seamlessly. Next, you'll want to explore the available apps. To do this, click on the Explore Apps button. This feature lets you browse through various apps that can be integrated with Klaviyo, enhancing its functionality. In the search bar, type in Google Ads. This will help you quickly locate the Google Ads integration card. Once you see it, click on the card to select it. This step is essential as it sets the stage for connecting your Google Ads account to Klaviyo. With the Google Ads card selected, you'll notice an Install button. Click on this to initiate the integration process. After installing, the next step is to connect to Google. You'll see a button labeled Connect to Google. Click on it. This will redirect you to a page asking you to log in to your Google account, so make sure you have your login details handy. When you reach the login page, enter the credentials for the Google account that has admin permissions. This is important because only an account with the right level of access can complete the integration. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to review the requested permissions. This step is crucial as it outlines what Klaviyo will be able to access in your Google Ads account. Take a moment to go through these permissions to ensure you're comfortable with them. Finally, after reviewing the permissions, click Allow. This action grants Klaviyo the necessary access to your Google Ads account, completing the integration process. Once you've allowed access, you're all set. Your Klaviyo account is now connected to Google Ads, allowing you to start leveraging the combined power of these platforms. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully connected Klaviyo to Google Ads. This integration will help you make more data-driven decisions and improve your marketing campaigns' efficiency. Whether you're looking to align your email marketing with your ad strategies or just want to enhance your overall marketing efforts, this connection is a game changer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.